Tesla is now rolling out FSD beta v12.2.1. Tesla has officially been rolling out the highly anticipated full self-driving FSD beta version 12 to select customers, with many now sharing their initial experiences with the neural net-based software. Right after Tesla employees started receiving FSD beta v12.2.1 over the weekend, the automaker officially started deploying the software version to select customer cars. Multiple people have since begun posting their first thoughts on the new software, and many seem to have positive reviews for the version thus far. One customer, Mark Bixby, says he's been using the FSD beta since 2021, noting that the jump from V11 to V12 is the biggest release-to-release improvement that he has seen yet. In a longer post on Facebook detailing his experience, Bixby notes a few regressions and things that didn't seem to change, though he also shared 11 points of improvement, including turning trajectory, turn signals, low visibility turns and more. My first impressions of Tesla FSD beta v12.2.1 as a nobody customer but FSD test pilot since October 2021, wow, just wow. 4 steps forward, 1 step back. He also notes the importance of drivers remaining ready to take over control of the car even with the FSD beta, as it's only a level 2 automated system and requires driver monitoring at all times. While v12.2.1 didn't do anything dangerous for me today, don't be lulled by the amazing improvements, Bixby added. It's still beta software, you are still the driver, and you still have the liability if anything goes horribly wrong. Bixby and others have also pointed out that FSD beta v12.2.1 can successfully make U-turns, though, notably, Tesla didn't have to put effort into the system learning the maneuver. Instead, FSD beta v12 relies on training from its neural network-based approach to learn and perform this function. You can also see a video from Omar of Whole Mars catalog below, showing the FSD beta v12.2.1 as it drives him and a passenger from the San Francisco airport into downtown without any interventions. What's the big deal with Tesla's FSD beta v12? Tesla's FSD beta v12 has been highly anticipated for quite some time now, and it has been touted by CEO Elon Musk and others as a crucial piece of the puzzle for someday achieving full autonomy. FSD beta v12 eliminates over 300,000 lines of human-written code that previously controlled functions such as steering, acceleration, and braking, instead transitioning to rely completely on its neural network, which is trained by millions of frames of video from real-world driving scenarios. The result is that the FSD beta v12, which Musk has said will eventually drop the beta moniker, literally controls the car instead of simply detecting objects and operating based on programmed rules. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.